Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 6th chapter, that is algebraic expression and identities. Okay students, so students, in previous video already we have studied that how the division of monomial with a monomial. But students, today we are going to discuss about that how the division of polynomial by a monomial. Okay students, so let us see with by examples we can understand division of a polynomial by a monomial. Students, observe here. Example 1. Divide this 32 x to the power 8 minus 24 x to the power 6 plus 16 x to the power 5 minus 12 x cube by 4x square. That means from here up to here this is a polynomial, by 4x square is a monomial. So how we will divide? So students, write down the solution. 32 x to the power 8 minus 24 x to the power 6 plus 16 x to the power 5 minus 12 x to the power 3. This we are dividing, or we can write by 4x square. Okay students, so one thing you should remember students, whenever we are dividing with one polynomial with monomial, how we will divide? Now we have to divide with each term of a polynomial by a monomial, because each term is contained just like one monomial. So what you have to do? First of all, we have to write 32 x to the power 8 by 4x square. What is the sign? Minus 24 x to the power 6 by 4x square plus 16 by 16 x to the power 5 by 4x square minus 12 x cube by 4x square. Did you understand students? That means each term with you have to divide. Now what you have to do students? First of all, the numerical value should divide. So 4 8 ja. So 8 and a x power 8 minus 2 minus 4 6 ja 24 x power 6 minus 2 plus 4 ja x power 5 minus 2 minus 3 ja x power 2 minus 1. So we can write it 8 into x power 6 minus 6x power 4 plus 4 x power 3 minus 3 x power 1. This is our required answer. Okay students, same like students we can do divide this. Another one example I have given. So it is 8 of like this. So write down first. What you have to do? Solution you have to do 8 of x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube by 4 x square y square z square. Okay students, so what you have to do first? Numerical value first of all we can write first 8 by 4 of, we can write it x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube by x square y square z square. Okay, so now what you have to do students, observe here. First you got this 2. Next this one individually you can do x cube y square z square by x square y square z square plus x square y cube z square by x square y square z square plus x square y square z cube by x square y square z square, and a bracket you should make it close. Now what you have to get students is equal to 2 of, first of all you got this x square x cube here x square, so it will get x, y square means got z square, so only x plus here x square cancel, y square means only y, z square to z square cancel, so y plus here x square cancel, y square cancel, z square means only z, so 2 of x plus y plus z, this is our answer. Students, observe carefully. If numerator same, denominator same, we can cut. So here y square cancel, z square cancel, x cube by x square means only x, because 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Like that way 3 terms you have simplified, then after 2. Okay. Similarly students, we can solve here also our exercise point. Here given that one binomial, that means it is also polynomial. So how can we do solve this? Y x square y minus 3xy by y. Okay students. So students, observe here, first individual you can do x square y by y minus 3xy by y is equal to, here y to y cancel, here y cancel, so x square minus 3x, this is our answer. Okay. So same like students, this one you should see students, a total given 4x minus plus 8 by 3 xy minus 12 xz divided by minus 4x. So what you have to do, individual term which you should first divide. Okay. So is equal to minus 4x square by minus 4x plus 8 by 3 xy by minus 4x plus minus 12 xz by minus 4x. Okay. Now individual each term with a divided with 10. Now is equal to, what you can write in here, minus cancel, 4 cancel, that means x2 minus 1, here plus and here minus, so minus we can write here 8 by 3 by 4. 8 by 3 by 4, how can we divide students? 8 by 3 by 4, that means here 1 is there, 8 by 3 into 1 by 4. If we cut like this, 2 by 3 answer will come. 2 by 3, x to x cancel, y minus a cancel, it will come, so plus 4 3 ja, x to x cancel, z. So if you write nicely, x minus 2 by 3 y plus 3z, this is the required answer. Okay students, I hope you have understand about that exercise part and how to division of a polynomial by a monomial. So remember students, whenever you are dividing with the polynomial with monomial, at that time what you have to do? You have to remember that each term with monomial, each term of a polynomial is divided with monomial. Then simplify after, you will get the result. So students, for your homework about this 6.3 homework exercise 6.3, you should do in your homework and classwork notebook inside it, and send me also your photo. So many students you are not sending, so please complete the work and send me your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.